Samridhi Group now brings to you yet another unique and lush residential option, Luxuriya Avenue. This project is strategically located in the heart of Sector 150 Noida, offering high-end amenities. Welcome to Samridhi Luxuriya Avenue. Designed by a renowned architect, Luxuriya Avenue is all set to redefine affordable luxury. The green open spaces in Luxuriya Avenue invite you to breathe fresh in this mesmerizing society. The 12 towers of this Luxuriya Avenue are offering 2 and 3 BHK apartments with numerous designs and sizes. Various facilities are available here, which include play area for children, banquet hall, swimming pool, shopping complex, indoor games, security and more. It is well located at Sector 150 Noida, which is next to Yamuna Expressway, Pari Chowk and Greater Noida. The possession of Luxuriya Avenue will be given by the year 2018. Samridhi Luxuriya Avenue is the fully charmed society with refreshing environment and fresh air. It is the home where you can live with your beloved.